What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Wltoys Rides and Reviews. I haven't done anything with my RC cars in quite some time, so I thought I'd do a little revisit. We're going to do a quick rebuild. We're going to go over this whole thing, reset all the electronics, probably put them in a different place, and try to get the battery and electronics in here better, and send this thing for another run, maybe get another 60 mile per hour run out of it. I have a new body, wing, and I'm going to put the LC Racing Truggy wing on the back as well, back on there. I had it on there before. Then I'm going to throw this bumper on there to try to keep it from bending the strut tower. It just keeps bending it. That wing's seen better days. And the 3S battery is charged. So I got all the electronics sorted back in and added a little strap right there for rigidity. This thing was all over the place. Got that sorted. I had to straighten this tower out and straighten these two bars so the suspension would work properly. Reassembled with the 3S battery in there, and it's a 4300 kV motor, 3650 can size, so she's pretty stout. Let's go ahead and throw the body and the wing on. Almost ready to go. Just gotta throw this bumper on. If anybody wants it, this is what you're looking at. Rally bumper set. It's got this foam bumper. It just goes into the stock plate. Also comes with this thing here. I think this is just another piece to it. Just blew up inside of my house and lit my RC car completely on fire. I guess we're not doing a speed run today because she's freaking toast, my guy. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to order some parts. What do you think? My whole RC car caught on fire. I broke the tower trying to drag it out here as fast as I could. I burned my damn finger. My skin's melted. Awesome. Well, I guess we're not driving her today. Yeah, I lost some arm hair in that one. So this night did not turn out how we expected it. Well, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for watching. Hit me up in the comments. I'm really sorry. I did want to take it on a speed run, but you know, just it exploded down here on the table in here. So just, I don't have much of a choice but to, you know, order some parts and wait for it to come in. Yeah, she gave me a nice fat blister. Ouch. So I got it cleaned up a little bit. I got a new servo because it totally melted my wires, and I got a 2S, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to hook it up again. Make sure it's not this thing. If it blows up another battery, I want it to be a cheaper battery. Don't mind my son in the background. Hey, it's working. Yeah, it's working, Maze. Steering's not working, it won't go back and forth, and it just now sent some smoke out the back of this ESC, so we just smoked an ESC, so I gotta order me a new computer. Well, that's $40 down the drain. Well, at least I didn't fry another battery. This one lives to fry another day. So there's the other Wltoys I robbed the ESC from. She's brushless as well. I'm just gonna come in here and grab this new body. Fresh wing. I don't know if I'm gonna put that on there. Got it back together on the 2S setup right now. Let's go ahead and test it out. Definitely not the best looking bumper on there, but it definitely gives me a little bit more of a sense of security, you know, in case I ram this thing into something. 2S, this thing is much more tame and easier to drive. Still fun though. So here goes nothing. We're gonna put it back on 3S. I hope she don't catch on fire again. Brand new body. You know, there's the remnants of what happened. This battery isn't quite fully charged, but I don't know if it's the ESC. It's supposed to be the exact same, pretty much 60 amp ESC, but this thing feels a lot slower. All right, another day we're going to try it on 3S again. It's definitely fast, but this computer is nowhere near the power that the other one was putting out. Also giving me trouble in reverse. We might have a damaged motor. I might have to go ahead and buy a whole new kit. They also have that new 112 scale I might have to upgrade. It's pretty much the same thing, just a little bit bigger, more stable, more room to put bigger motors. All right guys, till next time, please subscribe, hit me up. Deuces. Definitely the computer that made it go a little bit faster, I think. I just love how quiet the brushless system is. It is just by far better than the brushed.
Somebody like almost hit it.
Somebody
did hit it. Holy crap.
Dang, they messed it up.
Look, somebody
Gated
hit
community.
the whole entire thing.